The question 1. The nitrogen trifluoride molecule has a less dipole moment than ammonia. This statement is wrong, right, or NF3 does not have a dipole moment, or ammonia does not have dipole moment. The statement is right. The unshared pair of electrons occupies the sp3 in n orbital and must contribute a dipole moment in the direction opposite to that of net moment of the NF bonds, because here NF bonds are also polar. In ammonia, the net dipole is towards nitrogen and lone pair electrons and do not cancel each other dipole. Therefore, nitrogen trifluoride molecule has less dipole moment than ammonia. The next question, which of the following is a polysaccharide? The correct answer is starch. Sucrose is a disaccharide and glucose is a monomer. Next question. The non-polar molecules have dipole moment +1, +3, -3 or 0. The correct answer is 0. Non-polar molecules have a net dipole moment of 0 because the individual bond dipoles within the molecule cancel each other out, resulting in an even distribution of charge. The next question. The HF molecule is a smaller molecule compared to HCl and HBr. The HF molecule has a large dipole moment than HCl and HBr. The statement is wrong, correct, or HF molecule does not have any dipole moment, or all above statements are incorrect. The correct answer is B. HF molecule has larger dipole moment because fluorine is highly electronegative than chlorine and bromine. Therefore, HF has a large dipole moment compared to HCl and HBr. Next question. Benzene molecule has a trigonal planar geometry with sp hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, none of the above. The correct answer is sp2 hybridization. In benzene, one 2s orbital and two 2p orbitals of each carbon atom combine to form three sp2 hybrid orbitals, resulting in a trigonal planar geometry with bond angles of 120 degrees. Next question. Chlorophyll contains the following metal ion: iron, copper, magnesium, aluminium. The correct answer is magnesium. The next question, the unit of dipole moment is dyne per centimeter, dBi, gram per centimeter cube, or none of the above. The correct answer is dBi. dBi is a non-SI unit of dipole moment. It is equal to this coulomb meters, and SI unit is stat coulomb centimeter. Next question. The two electrons present in an orbital has opposite spin, parallel spin, do not spin, none of the above. The correct answer is opposite spin. Two electrons present in an orbital has opposite spin. Next question. If n is equal to 3, this is the principal cell, L is equal to 2, and M is equal to -2, the probability of the electron is in the 2s orbital, 3s orbital, 3p orbital, or 3d orbital. The correct answer is 3d orbital. Principal cell is 3, so it may be 3, and 2 means d orbital. Next question. Ammonia molecule has a pyramidal structure, tetrahedral structure, trigonal pyramidal, or planar. The correct answer is pyramidal structure. Next question. Nitration of benzene is an example of electrophilic aliphatic substitution, nucleophilic aromatic substitution, electrophilic aromatic substitution, or nucleophilic aliphatic substitution. The nitration of benzene, the correct answer is electrophilic aromatic substitution. Next question. If n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, and M is equal to 0, the probability of the electron is in the 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 2p orbital, 3p orbital. The correct answer is 2p orbital. If L is equal to 1, it means it will be in the p orbital, and 2 means the second shell. Next question. Dipole moment is a vector quantity, non-vector quantity, both A and B, or none of the above. The correct answer is it is a vector quantity. Next question. Which of the following is not a polysaccharide? Starch, protein, cellulose, lycopene. The correct answer is protein and lycopene. These are not polysaccharides. Starch and cellulose are polysaccharides. Comprise glucose as monomer units. In starch, glucose molecules are joined by alpha-1,4 glycosidic linkages, and in the cellulose, glucose molecules are linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic linkages. Proteins are polypeptides. Amino acids are linked together by peptide bonds. And lycopene, it is a carotenoid. It gives red color in fruit and vegetables. Example, tomatoes are red due to the presence of lycopene. Next question. Aluminium is extracted by Baer and Hall Herold process, Haber process, Ostwald process, and fractional distillation. The correct answer is A. Baer and Hall Herold process. Next question. The atomic orbitals increase in size and energy. A. This is the B, C, and D. The correct answer is this one. 4s orbital. It is bigger in size than 3s, than 2s, than 1s, and also in the energy. You can see here, this is the nucleus, this is 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. Next question. HF molecule has higher boiling point than any other hydrogen halides due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, smaller molecule, none of the above. The correct answer is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding occurs between different HF molecules. This is due to the strong dipole-dipole interactions between HF molecules. So you can see here, this is the hydrogen fluoride molecules, and this is the hydrogen bonding between fluorine and hydrogen. You can see here. The next question, the ethanol is soluble in water. What is the most significant factor of the solubility? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water, ionic bond, none of the above. The correct answer is hydrogen bonding with water. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding also is there, but hydrogen bonding, it is the significant factor of solubility. Next question. The resonance hybrid has lower energy than any of the contributing structures and is more stable. This statement is wrong. The statement is correct. The presence of single and double carbon-carbon bonds are of different length. All the above are wrong. The correct answer is B. This statement is correct. The resonance hybrid has lower energy than any of the contributing structures and is more stable. Next question. You can also follow lecture 7 on the resonance effect in organic chemistry. Next question. The bond energy increases in a hybrid bond at the following order. The correct answer is this. sp bond energy, it is the highest than sp2 and sp3. The bond energy increases with the increase of s character in a hybrid bond. For example, sp, it has 50% s character, and in sp2 the s character is 33%, and in sp3 25% of s character. Therefore, sp bond has higher energy. So thank you. Please subscribe channel for latest basic and advanced topics in chemistry, series of questions and answers for 10th, 11th, 12th classes and competitions.